Applicant AW3378IP, please tell me about yourself.
Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Beverly Ugdamin. I presently residing at Dalamin Titay, Zamboanga, Sibugay. I am 36 years old. I am married. My husband name is Marlon Ugdamin, 37 years old. I have 2 kids. My eldest is 2 years old and 11 months. My youngest is 1 year and 10 months. My father named Rodolfo Dordi already passed away last 2021. My mother's name is Fidordi, already passed away 2014. We have 12 siblings. I am the 10th place. My religion is Catholic. My vocational course at Attainment Hotel Restaurant Management. I am ex-abroad in Jordan. I serve family members, 2 adults, 2 children, ages 10 years old and 5 years old. And also in UAE, I serve family members, 2 adults, 1 child, 1 year old. I do household chores like cleaning, cooking, washing the dishes, washing their clothes, ironing, taking care of the baby, giving nutritious food, giving vitamins, assist them in the bathroom and cleaning, changing clothes.
Why do you intend to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I heard that their country needs opportunity to their employer and have a good salary, and I need to work to earn money.
How was your relationship to your previous employer?
They treat me like own family.
What are the duties and responsibilities as a domestic worker?
My duties and responsibilities as a domestic worker: cleaning the house, cooking, preparing their foods, washing their dishes, washing their clothes, and ironing, and most especially taking care of the children.
What the parts of the house that needs to be cleaned most?
First, kitchen, we can prepare their foods. Second, bathroom, avoid spreading germs and bacteria.
What are the appliances that you can operate?
Rice cooker, heater, electric burner, washing machine, and iron.
Can you cook Chinese foods?
No, ma'am, but I'm willing to learn.
What is the first thing to do before you prepare your employer food?
Always wash my hands.
What are the good attitude traits that you can build to your future employer?
I am a good employee, obedient, respectful, and have a positive mind.
What is your message to your future employer?
For my future employer, choose me because I am a hardworking person, trustworthy, honest, and I promise I will do my duties and responsibilities. Thank you, and God bless.